Yes, the hands-on look of Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition is out, and this thing looks absolutely insane. Although if you want a taller foldable phone, Z Fold 7 is on a massive deal from Samsung listed in this video. Now the wider foldable phone is actually more interesting compared to a Z Fold 8 Ultra, which is a successor of Galaxy Z Fold 7. Now according to YouTuber The Sinza, who always shared the dummies of upcoming smartphones, just like he did with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, he also shared the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition dummy. Now this is the cover display of a Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition. There's one important thing that he shared, and I just second that. Even before he actually uploaded the video, one of the video I actually said that this phone actually looks like the LG LG Optimus VOO 2 that I used back in 2013. That phone was launched back in 2012. They also call it LG Note 2. He also seconded that this phone actually looks like and feels like the LG Optimus VOO. He's talking about VOO. I'm just talking about the second generation of VOO, which looks similar to the first generation. And if you ever use that phone, I think you'll get the idea of Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition. On the back of the phone, we got two cameras on the back. He shared two color options, black and white. The black looks better because these are the dummies. And he also shared the inner display of a Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition. And this thing actually looks really good. But I think if we just flip around the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, we almost get similar aspect ratio. But this is way better because it comes with a wider cover display, and the inner display is obviously really good. Now there is one of the biggest display upgrade we get on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, not even the Ultra but the Wide Edition. According to Universe, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide features a 432 pixel per inch cover display and a 403 ppi main display, making it the foldable with the highest pixel density in Samsung Fold history. For comparison, the Z Fold 7 features a 422 ppi cover display and a 368 ppi main display, while for the comparison, the Z Tri Fold features a 422 ppi cover display and a 268 ppi main display. This is such a small one on the tri-foldable phone, but I think Z Fold 8 Wide actually features one of the best displays we ever get on the foldable phone, and the pixel density 432 on the cover and 403 on the inner display is really good, even compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Although for the naked eye, I don't think we may see a massive difference compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, but it's good to have Samsung is improving the displays on the upcoming foldable phone. Now we got more details about the Galaxy Z Fold 8. When we talk about this phone looks really big in renders, but I actually made it with a cardboard and the exact dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, and this is how it's gonna look like. Look at that. And if we compare it to a normal phone, this phone looks slightly wider because this phone is slightly shorter compared to a normal phone. It's a 5.4 inches cover display and the inner display is 7.6 inches. This is the 7.6 inches. Maybe I am probably 1 centimeter different compared to original device, but I actually use the official dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, which comes with the 5.4 inches cover display and a 7.6 inches inner display with a height of 123.9 millimeter and a width of 161.4 millimeter. Yeah, that's the exact dimensions of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, and I just made it, and this is how it's gonna look like. Now, if we compare it with the iPad, yes, this phone looks smaller compared to the iPad mini 4th generation. So I don't have a latest version of iPad, but right now if I compare it with my 4th generation iPad, well, obviously that iPad has some big bezels on top and bottom, but if we put it side by side, yes, this phone almost have a screen size of the iPad mini 4th generation. Obviously this phone also gets smaller bezels, but if we compare, we almost get the similar screen size as the iPad mini 4th generation, and this is probably one of the best ones we have to watch out the content with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition. 3 new updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. First one, he said exclusive. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide weight around 201 grams. This is such a lighter foldable phone, almost 14 grams lighter than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which was rated at 215 grams. I think this is probably one of the lightest foldable phone in the market with a 9.8 millimeter thickness and 201 grams of weight. The second update, he confirmed that 4800 mAh battery is coming on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide Edition, which is 400 mAh more than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, along with the 45 watt of fast charging, which was previously 25 watt on Galaxy Z Fold 7, even the Galaxy Z Flip 7. But the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra will going to get slightly bigger battery compared to the wider version. Now there's another update he confirmed. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is equipped with the new 50 megapixel sensor sensor and natively support 24 megapixel mode. No need to download camera assistant app. This is an important update. 24 megapixel mode is really important for a recent smartphone launch, as 26 Ultra has it, and now the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra both will going to see this new feature. But I'm still concerned about the 50 megapixel main sensor and 50 megapixel ultra wide.
On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.